Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to check reposts on Instagram. Now, the repost is a new feature that Instagram has recently added to their application. Now, in order to get this feature, you should first go and open the Play Store or App Store, whatever you're using, Android or iOS. Then you should search for Instagram and make sure that you have the latest version. Once you have the latest version, go and open it. And here you have this new feature. You have these icon of these two arrows. When you click on it, you can repost the reel or even the post. And when you go even to the reels, you can do the same. You can simply click on the repost on the right side. And now if you want to access all of your reposted reels and posts, you can simply go and click on your profile picture on the bottom right side. Then go and click on this section right here, the section of reposts. Here you have all the reposts that you have actually reposted. Simply, if you want to delete one of them, you can simply click on it just like so and click on delete repost. So now I have deleted it. So this is how you can actually use it. It's a very good feature that they have actually used, that they have actually added, I mean. So here you have it. This is how you can actually use the new feature. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.